First, install the Snapchat application and open it. Then click the plus icon. Then select your photos. Then click the plus icon. Click the turn image option. First of all, click the adjustment option and select brightness. Brightness is -10. Then click the contrast and contrast is 20. Then saturation is 90 and ambience is 90. Then highlight is down into 20. Then shadows -7. Then on 10. Then tick mark. Then click the tick mark and then click the pen icon. Click details. Structure is raise and it is 10. Then click the sharpening and sharpening is 20. Tick mark. Click the pen icon and click the white balance. Then raise it up to 20. And 10 is 5. Then tick mark. And then click again the pen icon and select this select icon and then click the plus icon and select the part you can highlight and expose more. I can select this area. Click plus icon and select this area and press to my 2 finger and resize the areas. I can select in that area and I can raise the brightness into +10. Then I click again the plus icon and select the other part of these photos and I can raise the brightness 10. I can again click the plus icon and I can select some other parts and resize these areas. And my work is complete. Then click the tick mark. Again click the plus icon and select the HDR sharp and we can click the adjustment and filter extent is 20. Then click the adjustment and brightness is lower than -5. Then saturation is up to 10. Then click the tick mark. Then our photo is ready. If you want to check this photo, how to change our photo and how many change our photo, click and press the photo. Then you can check how many change our photo. You can check it easily. Our process is complete. Then we can save it. To save this photo, click the download option and click the save button. Our photo is ready.